Well, tubers, today is the big storm day, and yeah, no snow yet. It is Thursday morning, and it is freaking early. And hopefully we can beat the snow on the trasher up. Oh yeah, that would be cool. Yeah. Oh, cool start on the old power wagon. Oh yeah. Anyway, you guys updates as the snow comes, but as you can see, no snow yet. Oh yeah, look there. None. Nope, none at all. Oh yeah, poor wild trash man's back here cruising on the county roads. So far no snow. Wow. In fact, they got schools within 40 miles of here all closed because of the snow. They closed government offices within 100 miles of this area. Everybody's afraid of a little snow. Well, guess what? Everybody closes and cancels, but poor white trash man, oh yeah. We keep trucking right down these roads. Oh yeah.
East of there in Joplin, Missouri.
Last night we had the sleet and then we had some snow, and so now it's sleeting on our snow and our sleet and thunder and lightning.
That's Tamara Owens, who tells me she won't be going out this morning.
It's stay-in weather. I have to work this afternoon, so I hopefully things will be a little cleared off by then.
The storm is expected to slack off as it moves east, with Chicago getting only a couple of inches of snow.
Yeah. Well, it's 7 a.m. and still, yeah, none of this big major snow that everybody says we're supposed to be getting. I don't know. Yeah, pretty much everything in the area is closed. They're even closing local factories. Yeah. Wouldn't surprise me if the local dump down there to Brown County doesn't close. Yeah. Just goes to show you that nobody's more dependable than the poor wild trash man, because trash doesn't stop for nobody, no weather. Oh no. Yeah. It's a little bit chilly out. I don't know. Most people, I guess it'd be cold. To me, it's not that bad. It's about 14 degrees out. Whatever back there is all bundled up. It's acting like it's super cold outside. Me? Oh, hell. I'm still wearing the, just the gray hoodie there. Oh, yeah. Well, watch trash, man. It takes a lot for me to get cold. Oh, hell yeah. Got a little food in here. Of course, I got it out of the trash. Gotta have something to snack on in the truck. Well, it just started spitting snow by 8 o'clock. It's 8:13 now. Yeah, and I just got a call from the landfill, and yeah, I was right. They're trying to close. Yeah, so I got to hustle and get this trash all picked up and get down there and dump before they close. What's that sound? Is that Big Dirty? No, but it's a Ford. Oh yeah, she's a choo-chin. Oh yeah. Anyhow, yeah. Everybody's scared of this big snow. But poor white trash man, we're still going. Hell yeah. Well boys, it's only been about a half an hour since it snowed, and oh yeah, she's coming down. Yeah, it's actually starting to get slick on the roads. Oh yeah. And even on a snowy day, the poor wild trash man, we find good stuff. Right here, brand new in the box. Wireless headphone system, RCA. Well, brand new in the box. Oh, look at here. I don't think people even took it out of the box because the Part of it's still wrapped in the plastic like it originally was. Oh yeah. What else to pull on Trashman find? Well, I'll show you. Black & Decker circular saw. Look, hadn't been used enough to wear off the black paint off the bottom. Oh yeah. Even on the snowy days, pull on Trashman, we find stuff. Oh heck yeah. Yeah, we gotta get going at it because the dump's about to, abandon us. Well, it's been snowing for about an hour now. This here is Highway 4. Yeah. I do believe it may get bad. Well, at least some people are smart enough to drive with their headlights on like that their car. Oh yeah. Not everybody's that smart to figure that out. Hey, Mr. Shade Face. Well, boys, I forgot to mention, I am in Humboldt. I guess Fall City, where I live, is a little bit worse. I just got a phone call telling me not to even try to take this down to the dump because the other trash truck driver was driving down to the dump and he saw a vehicle that went off to the side of the road. It was a pickup pulling a car trailer, one of them heavy trailers that had a bobcat on it. And the trailer didn't get hurt, it just went in the ditch, and so did the truck, but the bobcat rolled. And yeah, I guess it's quite a mess along the highway there, going up to Brown County. So yeah, the roads are a lot slicker than what they seem like. This is only about hour and 20 minutes right now, and I'd say there's probably close to an inch on the ground. Yeah. I can't keep my windshield from freezing up. Got the freaking defrost pretty near on full blast heat. I'm sweating to death. I got the window down to try to stay cool. Yeah, I just don't do this damn heat with the heater and stuff. But, yeah. I got, I don't know, probably about 3 more hours of driving out in the county roads. Yeah, fun. So, yeah, my day is going interesting so far. Oh yeah, we're on Highway 73 here. Can't keep my damn window from frosting up. Damn windshield wipers keep filling up with ice. Well, we got the old heat going full blast on. Yeah, not a whole lot of traffic out. When there is, there are idiots like that don't have their headlights on. Yeah. Now I get to go from Highway 73 to county roads. Yay. Damn windshield wiper plumb filling up with ice. The old defrost can't keep up with it. Oh yeah, I gotta freaking flip them. Yeah, fun. Look at that there old power wagon. Oh yeah, power wagon. Oh yeah, check that out. Front winch on it even. Another one over yonder here. And there's another one over at the other place. Oh yeah, another little Dodge power wagon. Oh yeah, still driving out here in the county roads. Still fighting the damn wipers. Yeah. Yeah, it is 10:30. We're over on Highway 8, and yeah, roads are definitely getting a little worse. Damn ice. Ate my windshield wiper. Oh yeah, okay. And Everett there, he's the ninja with the ninja mask. Oh yeah, fun. And we gotta head back out to the country. Yeah, boys, it's 11:30 or so, and yeah, it's definitely getting worse. Fall City here is just terrible. The roads are. Wow. So yeah, so go down to the shop and do some video editing and uploading and whatnot, and yeah, let y'all see. I've been watching that there truck there, right there, that kid driving that truck. Yeah. And yeah, I think he has potential for a mud run truck. Oh yeah. Yeah. Anyhow. Who knows? Maybe you'll see that kid driving a mud run truck someday. Hey tubers, it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Oh yeah. I'd say we got a little bit of snow. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's certainly snow. Oh yeah. We're going to have to dig out the old snow blower and get it going with it, which is nothing more than the redneck scoop. Yeah, shovel. Oh yeah. But uh-oh. Door's a little frozen there. No. Yeah, my windshield's probably frozen too. Oh yeah, it's frozen. Damn it. Son of a buck. Yeah. Oh, that's up. Come here, son. Damn it. I hate that. Whoever said snow was good for anything was just wrong. Yeah. I don't even think the city's scraped the streets yet. Yeah. Big fat bastard hasn't scooped his drive yet. And this town's about like deserted. There's nobody out and about on the old streets. Yeah. Freaking my damn windshield keeps icing. Oh, a hell of a time with windshields and ice. Oh yeah. Yep. Fun. Oh yeah, she's drifting pretty good right here in the walkway. Yeah, tubers, I guess it's time for the pull-out trash man to get out the old redneck snowblower. Yeah, right here we got it. Yeah, redneck snowblower. Although I was just at Casey's and some kid come in there said they were a store in town sold out of shovels. I almost sold it to him, but I thought, nah, the wife would kill me. Yeah. Freaking every place is closed, even the grocery store is closing at 6 o'clock tonight. Yeah. Anyhow. Yeah. Freaking town's about like a deserted town out there. Oh yeah. Freaking deserted. I guess. Freaking go scoop some god darn snow. Well, tubers, I've been out here scooping for the last 2 hours, and now I got to start over, because this is where I started, the sidewalks, the walkways. Yeah, probably would have took me longer than that, but the local Pepsi guy stopped by, and he had a little John Deere 310 mower with a blade on it. I'm telling you what, that sonbuck is a snow-pushing son of a buck. Yeah. I got to get me one of them John Deere's 310s with a blade. Has hydraulics on it even. Oh, heck yeah. If it wasn't for him, I think I would have killed myself out here. Oh yeah, take a look at it. Freaking it's snowing, I'm sweating to death out here. Yeah. So, yeah, the Pepsi guy, he's a YouTube watcher, so we want to say thanks to Ed for stopping by. Oh yeah. And anytime you get tired of that machine, just drop it off. I can put that darn thing to some good use over here. Oh yeah. Yeah, 4-foot blade on that thing. And yeah, he has tire chains on it, and anyways, just a pushing snow son of a buck. I guess I'm gonna hit this walkway one more time, and yeah, we can get this video uploaded so y'all can see what's happening here in Nebraska. Thanks all you guys for sending this damn snow my way. I could have lived without it. And yeah, they canceled school again tomorrow. No school. And like every place is closed in town except for Casey's. And yeah, that's where I'm going here after I scoop the walk. Of course, I'm not going to tell the wife Ed stopped by. I'm going to tell her I scooped it all by hand. Yeah, I can probably get myself a massage out of the deal. Tell her my back hurts, you know. And yeah, she'll never know the difference. She'll think I scooped the whole thing, so she'll give me a nice massage and everything. Oh yeah, that's the plan. Oh yeah, tubers. Today is my wife's birthday. I'm gonna put the link to her Facebook channel page or whatever you call it right down here, and y'all go over there and wish her happy birthday. She just turned yeah, she'll kill me, but she just turned 46, so yeah, go over there and tell her happy birthday. Thanks a lot.